Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change Western Union receiver name. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in westernunion.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Western Union if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the middle of the screen, you have send money online. As you can see here, you can go and send money. In the top right corner, we have these three lines where you can go and check out the history, settings, etc. and the logout button also. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change Western Union receiver name. So go to Western Union website or open the Western Union mobile app and log into your account. Then navigate to your recent money transfer activity. Choose the transfer you want to go and edit. If the transfer is still pending, you should see an edit receiver's name link. Click on it and enter the new name. Also save your changes and inform the receptionist of the new references number. If you don't see the edit receiver's name link, you may need to fill out a self-service form on the Western Union website. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.